Ito, may lalim eh. May ang daming notes sa likod eh na naglalaro.
Ooh. What's up sa mga mahilig sa pabango? This is your boy Ode Terence and today I have with me
Armin,
and welcome sa
Amoy
Piranha! I nailed it! After how many attempts?
Grabe. So, sa itong episode na to, Boss Terence, may isa tayong i-review na, in my opinion, this is, kahit newest release siya ng Rasasi, hindi masyado pinapansin sa market at hindi rin masyado hina-hype or parang hindi nire-review ng mga influencers sa ibang bansa or kahit saan. Maybe they are gatekeeping this perfume or maybe they see it parang it doesn't have that potential. But pag-uusapan natin yan ngayon kung may potential ba tong pabango na to or hindi. Is it just a useless perfume or is it really worth it? This is
Shura
Elixir
from
Rasasi. Alright. So, pag-usapan natin to ngayon, Boss Terence. Kamusta itong Shura Elixir sa skin mo?
Okay. Shura Elixir, upon initial spray, ang naalala ko, Bulgari Tiger.
That's correct.
Naalala ko yung Majesty by Maison Nasram. Basta yun, ginger, ano bang citrus nun? Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Mostly that, ginger, grapefruit. Yun yung DNA na yun.
Oo.
Pero, meron siyang twist eh.
Mm.
Hanggang sa huli, sinabi ko, alam mo Armin, may naalala akong pabango dito eh. Yung Giza Imperial Valley.
Oo.
Tapos tawa ng tawa si Armin. Na-pick up mo yun, yung parang oud. Tapos ako naman, ay, oud ba yun? Basta yun, kaamoy niya. So yun, kaya doon ko lang na sabi ko, okay, again hindi siya kaamoy ng Imperial Valley.
Oo.
Medyo iba yung citrus nun eh. Parang amoy dalandan na kalamansi.
Na ewan eh. Oo.
Pero ito grapefruit pa rin.
Oo.
Pero what I'm trying to say is parang, if you know Imperial Valley, it's a fresh citrus fragrance na may oud. Medyo weird, di ba? Pero ito, ganun din. Hindi ko alam all the while, yung naaamoy ko dyan is oud, tama ba?
Tama.
So may oud siya. But again magko-comment kayo, pero ang lakas ng Imperial Valley. Yes, actually, ang lakas ng Imperial Valley, hindi ko siya kaya. Inamoy sa akin ni Armin last week, sabi ko, Armin, mabango, pero hindi ko kaya suotin. Pero this one, I would say parang i-tone down mo yung intensity ng Imperial Valley. Siguro mga 20% lang siya ng power ng Imperial Valley.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is, this is, for me, very wearable.
Okay.
Pero, again, mas Bulgari Tiger pa rin siya. for
Okay.
me. Yun lang talaga, siguro pinatakan nila ng wood. Kaya may konting hints of woodiness kayong maaamoy. Ikaw, what's your take on Shura Elixir?
Actually, for me, itong Shura Elixir na to, ito yung so far na nagustuhan ko sa release na to na may kakaiba silang twist. They made it na parang, tama si Boss Terence yung pagka-Imperial Valley na Giza, but hindi lang Giza Imperial Valley eh. May nadagdagan siyang very big depth na parang if how Bulgari Tiger is trying to be, it's like parang, this is like parang a level up of Bulgari Tiger. If Middle East brand would release a Bulgari Tiger version, it has to be an oud sa composition niya. So they're trying to explain to the audience, sa mga consumers na this is our version. So possible na parang i-release ng Bulgari Tiger yung bagong extrait, hindi pa natin naamoy yun kung ano yung amoy nun But it has that parang medyo parang may pagka-resinous yung pagka-sweetness ng oud, may licorice may konting asukal na parang Baccarat Rouge 540. Nakuha mo ba yung pagka-saffron asukal sa kanya?
Konti.
Na
Pero again,
ethyl maltol kasi yun
it's not as strong as Baccarat Rouge 540.
Oo, but nandun lang siya, nagbibigay ng konting push tamis sa composition ng Bulgari Tiger. The grapefruit will not fade away. The ginger, it's still there. But yung oud niya, correct me if I'm wrong, yung oud niya sa umpisa lang siya magpapakita. Mga first 5 minutes lang. 2 to 3 minutes lang. After that, mawawala na. Slowly, nagbabackseat na yung oud niya.
For me, ano siya from oud, nagiging parang woody na lang.
Oo.
Hindi yung oud funk na or leathery oud
It's a very pleasurable oud. It's a very versatile oud siya na kayang suotin kahit hindi mahilig sa pabango, maa-appreciate niyo yung oud dito sa
Which
composition
for
na to.
me, makes it more masculine leaning
Very masculine siya.
Whereas, yung tulad nito,
Majesty ng Mason
Majesty
Asrar.
or Bulgari, I
Oo.
think it's very unisex
For me, I really love this one as well as a Bulgari Tiger dupe.
Pero ito may pagka-brusco
Sa mga magtatanong dyan for sure, sir, which one would you prefer as a Bulgari Tiger? They are all really good. It depends on you which one you would prefer. Hindi kasing katulad nito, medyo synthetic talaga. But sa mga ibang tao, they really appreciate this one. How paano na-execute nito ni Afnan, itong Turati, which is very famous. It's their top best-selling talaga. For me, I have no doubt. I really enjoy this scent so much. May pagka-synthetic lang siya talaga, but nandun talaga yung present ng Bulgari Tiger. It's very masculine, talagang beast mode to the max. If you love beast mode, you go with this one. Would you agree with me?
Yes. Pag performance hanap niyo, ito talaga.
Ito talaga. And sa mga quality, gusto nila ng quality na Bulgari Tiger, syempre, Majesty sila.
And I
ng Mason Asrar.
think mas smoother to.
Yes.
And I think closer.
Yes.
Maybe. It's debatable.
It's sobrang close din niya.
But this is definitely smoother compared dito.
Yes, if you want good quality, eto, I have no doubts. You want beast mode, you go with this one. But if you want something may pagka-twist, medyo may lalim pa, mas malalim compared dito sa dalawa na to, you go with Shuhra Elixir
Mas
ng
masculine
Rasasi.
leaning siya. For
Yes, mas malakas siya compared sa dito, pero hindi kasing lakas nito when it comes to the medyo parang diffusive kasi, very transparent na diffusive to. Ito, may lalim may ang daming notes sa likod na naglalaro hanggang dry down Okay? So, yun lang yung masasabi namin about sa Shuhra Elixir. I think is such a good release ng Rasasi. Please don't forget to try this scent. Do yourself a favor na try nyo to or kahit bumili muna kayo ng decant. And would you recommend this one as a safe blind buy?
For me, I'm not sure. Kasi nga, baka ma-off-put yung mga iba sa opening na oud
Oo.
Pero, kung naghanap kayo ng something different, and according to Armin, this is, I think, one of the cheapest dito.
Mas mura siya
Oo.
compared sa ditong dalawa.
And gusto niya mas masculine take, mas straightforward na, yun nga, na parang, kasi ito for me medyo soft boy, soft girl pa rin yung dating nito Ito naman very punchy, pero very rough. I mean, for a time, it's king kasi wala siyang kalaban
Yeah.
Pero ngayon na-expose siya kasi nga may
Oo nga
comparison. Pero ito, very straightforward. Parang, okay, I'm here, I'm manly, I smell good. Parang
Oo.
ganun.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, yun lang
Yes,
yung...
I will recommend.
You will recommend it? Okay.
Pero blind buy safe, I can't say.
You can say it. Okay.
For you, ano sa tingin mo? Blind buy safe siya?
For me, it can be a blind buy safe if you will put your mindset na yung oud niya is just for the first initial 5 minutes lang. After that, it will fade away na magbabackseat na lang siya. Nandun na lang siya sa likod. Yung magsha-shine dito is the Bulgari Tiger DNA na mas kapalin mo pa yung all ingredients aspects niya. Okay? Yun lang yung masasabi ko about dyan. And now, let's go on the ratings, Boss Terence. How would you rate this one? 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
As a standalone perfume, mas mataas ko siya ibibigay. I'll give it standalone 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Pero as a copy or a dupe of Bulgari Tiger, I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay.
Yung rating mo sa kanya as a standalone and as a dupe?
For me, stand-alone, I would rate it as a 9 out of 10. For me, nagustuhan ko talaga siya compared dito at dito kasi mas talagang may lalim Yung parang buo yung kaluluwa niya Parang hindi tinipid There's so much going on at the background sa top mid dry down niya. Pero if as a dupe, sa Bulgari Tiger, I would rate it as 7.5 out of 10. Hindi siya closest kasi ginawa nila ng
Definitely
twist.
not, yes.
Okay? Now, let's go. Top ranks mo when it comes to the Bulgari Tiger sa itong tatlo na to. Which one is your top 1, 2, 3? Mabilisan, Boss Terence.
Okay. This is currently my top 1.
Okay?
This, for me, it's a tie.
It's a tie. Okay.
Kasi this is still, I can't deny na may ano ako dito eh, parang dito ako nagsimula eh.
Oo.
I mean, lahat, it's one of the OG ME
Yun nga eh.
It's one of the perfumes that got me into MEs eh.
Matagal lang pinagdaanan
Oo,
nitong
oo.
Turati na to.
At saka ang tapang niya eh.
Sobra.
I mean, matapang in a sense na ang lakas ang loob niya mag-release siya pa lang nun eh.
Yun nga eh.
So, ito kasi medyo nag-veer away na.
Mm.
So, I would say 1, 2, 3. Ikaw, anong ranking mo dyan?
Dito, for me, top 1 ko, top 1 ha, this one, when it comes to the quality, ito, top 2, ito, and top 3, ito. Pero when it comes to the beast mode ha, ito at ito, it's a tie. When it comes to the beast mode. Pero if you want super lakas, dito ka. If gusto mo malalim na malakas na buong-buo yung kaluluwa ng Bulgari Tiger na parang hindi mo tinipid na Bulgari Tiger, you made it parang Middle Eastern style, you go with this one.
Eh, kung gusto mong meow, 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 dito ka.
You go with Majesty. Yeah.
Ito, mild lang eh. Sorry.
Alright. Hopefully na-enjoy nyo itong review namin sa itong episode namin. Let us know in the comment section kung na-try nyo na itong Shuhra Elixir from the brand of Rasasi. Do you own it? Do you hate it? Do you like it? Do you love it? And do you own also other brands ng Bulgari Tiger dupes? Or may alam ka pa na Bulgari Tiger na sa tingin mo it can knock out itong tatlo na to when it comes to the Middle Eastern dupes? Comment mo lang pare. Tingnan natin kung talagang may papalagbayan dito sa tatlo na to or hindi. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Bago niyo tanangin bakit kami naka-sombrero. Umambon kasi kanina eh.
Sobrang init.
Sobrang init pa rin.
Grabe. And till next time, Freckles family, like, comment, and share. And till next time, love you all.